the starlit alley when we were small. We launched our dreams on paper planes so tall. Inside our bags, a crumpled note we kept, with stories bold where heroes never slept. Time would slowly carry us away, but that old heart still knows the way. We were dream eaters, chasing skies, laughing loud with wonder in our eyes. Though we've grown and years have flown, the stars we held still gently shine at home. Moonlight once sat on our windowsill, and glowing hearts, they wandered free and still. Along the streets where school bells used to chime, we planted trees of thought that climbed through time. Though the world moves fast and turns its face, the quiet faith still holds its place. We were dream eaters, we believed in endless paths that wander in our eyes. Though we've grown and years have flown, the stars we held still gently shine at home. Moonlight once sat on our windowsill, and glowing hearts, they wandered free and still. Along the streets where school bells used to chime, we planted trees of thought that climbed through time. Though the world moves fast and turns its face, the quiet faith still holds its place. We were dream eaters, we believed in endless paths that wander unconceived. Now our steps might move more slow, but dream fragments bloom within our soul. An old photo caught in breeze, with young smiles swaying in the trees, and a song called memory starts to play, drifting softly through the heart today. We are dream eaters, even now. Sometimes we close our eyes and still know how to stand again beneath those skies where childhood whispered all its lullabies. Dreams have grown and turned to grown-up days, but the roots remain in quiet, gentle ways.
Beneath the starlit alley when we were small, we launched our dreams on paper planes so tall. Inside our bags, a crumpled note we kept, with stories bold where heroes never slept. Time would slowly carry us away, but that old heart still knows the way. We were dream eaters, chasing skies, laughing loud with wonder in our eyes. Though we've grown and years have flown, the stars we held still gently shine at home. Moonlight once sat on our windowsill, and glowing hearts, they wandered free and still. Along the streets where school bells used to chime, we planted trees of thought that climbed through time. Though the world moves fast and turns its face, the quiet faith still holds its place. We were dream eaters, we believed in endless paths that wander in our eyes. Now our steps might move more slow, but dream fragments bloom within our soul. And oh, the world moves fast and turns its face, the quiet faith still holds its place. We were dream eaters, we believed in endless paths that only we can see. Now our steps might move more slow, but dream fragments bloom within our soul. An old photo caught in the breeze, with young smiles swaying in the trees, and a song called Memory starts to play, drifting softly through the heart today. We are dream eaters, even now. Sometimes we close our eyes and still know how to stand again beneath those skies, where childhood whispered all its lullabies. Dreams have grown and turned to grown-up days, but the roots remain.